Then we're gonna pick it up so we don't cut the parts. And the location for the parts on the bottom. Then we have the 2 sitting cushions. The legs for the arms. The other sitting cushion. Same thing, wrap it up. And we will remove the arms from the package. 2 arms. 1. 2. Then we will open the leg. Screw in. Okay. If you notice, there's 2 brackets on the bottom, on the sitting cushion, and 2 brackets on the arm. What you're gonna do? You want an alignment? You wanna align those as best you can. You're gonna pick one side up. You're gonna pick it up. Make sure there's alignment. Push it from the top and let it drop. Okay. There's also in the back. The backrest have 2 set of brackets. The ones in the backrest and the one in the arm. The one on the top. Okay. What you want to do is just want to align it the best you can. You're gonna try to align one side. Put it in. Then you're gonna go to the other side. Center alignment. You can see it from this distance. You can see once you have them aligned, you just gotta push. The last step, you remove this piece. That will protect your. They use it to protect the Velcro. You remove it, and then you can put your cushions